How to transfer money from SafePal to CashApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look out for a method on how we can transfer money from SafePal to CashApp. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your SafePal app. After opening your SafePal app, you will be able to see this kind of interface after you log in. So here, in order to transfer money from SafePal to CashApp, the first thing you need to do is just tap on one of the cryptocurrency you see here. Just tap on any of the cryptocurrency. Right now, I'm going to use Bitcoin. Just tap on it. And here you will be able to see three options called swap, receive, and send. You may just enter the cash that you want to send and tap on send. After tapping on send, you will get into this kind of interface where you need to enter the address. So since we're going to transfer our money to Cash App, you need to just copy the address from your Cash App and paste it here. After pasting it, just type in the amount, and after that you will be able to send it. Just tap on next and then move forward with the process. You may need to enter your security code and you will be able to transfer your money from SafePal to Cash App easily within some steps. So in this way, you can transfer your money from SafePal to Cash App. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.